Hello learners, welcome to Unfold You, your best study partner. This is Priyanka, your mathematics mentor. In this video lesson, let's unfold the topic Introduction to Variations. In this video lesson, we will study variations and let's revise. Let's suppose there's a family of 4 members and they consume 2 packets of milk every day. And then there's a family of 6 members and they consume 3 packets of milk every day. You see here that with the increase in the number of family members, the consumption of milk increases. Let's now consider another situation. There are 2 friends, Monu and Sonu. They both love to remain physically fit. Monu exercises daily twice in morning as well as in the evening. But Sonu exercises once and on the alternate days. Who will remain more fit? Obviously Monu, क्योंकि उसने ज़्यादा मेहनत की. More the exercise and the efforts, more will be the fitness. Now meet Mr. J. He is getting a new house built for his family. He hires 10 workers for the construction work and is told that their house will be built in 2 months. But Mr. J चाहते हैं कि उनका घर एक ही month में बन जाए. If corresponding to 2 months he shall need 10 workers, then corresponding to 1 month, how many workers shall he need? Obviously यहाँ पे काम कराने के लिए उनको मैन पावर बढ़ानी पड़ेगी and he shall hire 20 workers for the house to get built in 1 month. Here, with the increase in the number of workers, the time of the work decreases. Meet Minnie. Her school starts at 8 a.m. in the morning. But today, she got late to school. She drives her scooty at the speed of 40 km per hour. But today, she wants कि वो कम टाइम में स्कूल पहुंच जाए, so she drives at the speed of 60 km per hour. यहाँ पे टाइम कम करने के लिए स्पीड बढ़ानी पड़ी. That is, to get a decrease in time, the speed needed to be increased. पर आप मिनी से इंस्पायर ना होना, स्पीड बढ़ाने की बजाय टाइम से उठिए और टाइम से स्कूल जाएं. Likewise, we come across so many situations in our daily life जहाँ पे 2 quantities आपस में इस तरह से related होती हैं कि किसी एक के change होने से दूसरे में भी change आता है. It can either increase or decrease. This is what is known as variation. That is, if the values of 2 quantities are related in such a way that the changes in one quantity lead to a change in the other quantity, then the 2 quantities are said to be in a variation. Now, if you go to market to buy fruits, suppose you want to buy 1 kg apples. The cost of 1 kg apples is ₹100. If you want to buy 2 kg apples, इसकी cost तो ₹100 नहीं रहेगी. This cost will increase. Cost for 2 kg apples will be 2 into ₹100, which is ₹200. Similarly, cost of 3 kg apples will be 3 into ₹100, which is ₹300 and so on. जितने ज़्यादा केजीज ऑफ एप्पल्स आप बाय करोगे उसी की करस्पॉन्डिंग कॉस्ट भी बढ़ेगी. मीन्स द चेंज इन द अमाउंट ऑफ एप्पल्स कॉजेज द चेंज इन द कॉस्ट, सो दैट क्वांटिटीज आर इन वेरिएशन. ये ऐसी वेरिएशन थी जिसमें एक क्वांटिटी के इंक्रीज होने से दूसरी क्वांटिटी भी इंक्रीज हुई. एक एग्जाम्पल में हमने देखा था दैट विद द इंक्रीज इन नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स द ड्यूरेशन फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क विल डिक्रीज. इसमें एक क्वांटिटी के इंक्रीज होने से दूसरी क्वांटिटी डिक्रीज हुई. ऑन दिस बेसिस वेरिएशंस आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 कैटेगरीज, डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन एंड इनडायरेक्ट वेरिएशन और इनवर्स वेरिएशन. दीज आर आल्सो नोन एज डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट proportions. We will be continuing with these in the next video lessons. This is all in this video lesson. Let's now revise what we have studied. Tell whether the given situations refer to direct proportions or inverse proportions. Your marks to hard work. This is a direct proportion because more the hard work, more will be the marks. The next one is battery power of your phone to time. This is an indirect proportion because जितना ज़्यादा टाइम हो जाएगा बैटरी पावर कम होती रहेगी. The next one is practice to number of mistakes. This is also an indirect proportion because अगर practice ज़्यादा होगी तो number of mistakes कम रहेंगी. The next one is number of family members to expenditures. This is a direct proportion because family members अगर ज़्यादा होंगे तो expenditure भी ज़्यादा होगा. The next one is distance covered by a body to its speed. This is a direct proportion because more the speed, more will be the distance covered. The next one is savings to your bank balance. This is obviously a direct proportion because more the savings, more will be the bank balance. So here we come to the end of this video lesson. In the next video lessons, we will explore further. This is Priyanka signing off. See you later in next video lessons. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.